Well, we have an update tonight about that condemned apartment building on Elmwood Avenue in Buffalo. Today, a city court judge made his decision on an order to vacate the property.
2 on your side's Rob Hackford was in court today and has more on what's next for tenants who thought they would be forced out.
Scott Marialis, the judge denied that emergency order to vacate, but told the attorney representing Elmwood Heights LLC that there would be one chance to fix the numerous problems that have been cited by the city and that we've heard about from tenants.
There's leaks in the building, there's black mold in there that needs to be done and get out of there. There's leaks everywhere, cracks everywhere. The floor is like seeking, like in my living room, like the pipes are coming out the floor.
Shannon Honeycutt has lived at Elmwood Heights for 2 years and dealt with many of the issues that led the city of Buffalo to condemn the building last week.
You know, home is where you're supposed to be happy at. You know, you want to feel comfortable when you walk in your house, you know, and you don't feel that here.
In court Friday, a judge said he and 50 other tenants would not have to leave. In a statement, City of Buffalo Permit and Inspections Commissioner Kathy Amder said she was surprised by the ruling. Quote, "Our inspectors don't request orders to vacate casually or without extensive deliberation. The code violations are so concerning that the Attorney General's office is working with us to hold the owner accountable." But who the owner is remains unknown. Richard Berger represents the LLC that owns the building and said there is an agreement to fix issues like broken smoke detectors, unlocked doors, and other things.
We agreed to address those immediately, and anything that larger will be addressed over the months of April and May and get it all done. So hopefully this problem will be abated in the very near future.
2 on Your Side has tried to reach the owner and building manager, and in court we learned even the city has struggled to contact whoever is behind Elmwood Heights LLC. Erie County tax records show the company is linked to a P.O. box down in Rockland County. While Friday's ruling was a relief for tenants, it is not a solution, and many like Honeycutt will continue their search for different housing.
My plan is to get out of here. I want a better house, like, you know, like I have a child, so I can't bring my child into this, like, you know.
The next court appearance when the judge expects those fixes to be in place is April 28th. Reporting in Buffalo, Rob Hackford, Channel 2 News.